Here I have HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite, and let me show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Afterwards, you need to prepare the micro USB cable connected to your PC, and you have to start holding the volume down. So here I have volume down. Let me keep holding the volume down, and let's connect your device by using this micro USB cable. Keep holding volume down right here. Remember to keep holding volume down, and now release the volume down. As you can see, the Fastboot and Rescue Mode just pops up. So here you can use this mode. You can also read about the FRP status right here, and if you would like to quit this mode, let's just simply press power key for a long time. So let me show you. Let's keep holding power key. Release power as soon as phone goes black. Now the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Let me disconnect my device from my PC, and let's just wait until your HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite will be ready to use. And that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.